Hey, Steven. You don't know me. I'm a random dude. But like all the other people you've affected in this world with emotional damage, I just had to show you this video. All right. I play Fortnite. I play other video games. And I have this this Stream Deck here that plays sounds like it's just little things that I
Oh, she got no more. Let me get that. Stop playing with me. Let me get that. Yes. Then
so there's these little phrases that, and then there's songs too. You know, things that I play during my matches. And of course, I just had to show you that yours made it to my little device.
Emotional damage.
That's all. That's all I wanted to share with you. But yeah, it's I've been saying that like every 20 minutes, or when I get in a meeting and this engineers piss me off or something, I'm like, emotional damage.